In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix Roblox error disconnected, failed to connect to the game. ID 17, connection attempt failed, error code 279. So if you are getting this error, how to fix it? So to fix it first, you need to make sure your connection is working properly. So make sure your Wi-Fi, if you are using Wi-Fi, then make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly. Or if you are using data, then check your data is working properly or not. So you can just go to any browser and search anything and make sure the internet is working properly. So mine was working properly, but still I got the error. So to fix that, go to settings, then go to apps, search for Roblox, tap on permissions, enable all the necessary permissions, and make sure manage app if unused is toggled off. If this is toggled on, then sometime this is the reason you got the error. So make sure it is turned off. Now go back. Now tap on storage, click on clear cache. If you remember your login credential, then tap on clear data. Otherwise, do not click on clear data. It will delete all the data if you click on it. If you remember the login credentials, then only click on it. Otherwise, do not click on it. Now go back. Tap on force stop. Click on OK. Now go to battery and make sure it is set to unrestricted, because sometime it will restrict the data and it will not work. So you can, after doing all this, you can try to open your Roblox app and check your problem is solved or not. If it's still not solved, then simply restart your device. Just long press on your power button, click on restart and restart your device. After restarting, your problem is definitely be solved. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.